broken collarbone. Meanwhile, Tony Finau, only one significant injury in his career. It happened opening day in New York. He has a torn ACL, done for the season.